Congratulations to Saida Bojo. She don't buy new ride, new car. The like say this music career good for your life, oh. Because as you don't start music now, I don't say like things on the happen. You get even me, where that make I go enter studio. But anyways, congratulations. Now this can't thing when they choke us with for this social media, we go like them. Go they give us motivation to the push. Maybe all those ones where all those relationship people go carry relationship put for their head like what I don't understand. Understand? They give us motivation, all these cars we wanna buy, house we wanna rent, choke us with that kind one. It go make us hustle. Not be say when I go they carry relationship pictures back and back, they put for our face. What is it? But anyways, congratulations. Now bless you also go say that part of the things where you improve on. Since she drag you, you don't finally buy car. Sorry. Well, anyways, congratulations to you on your new car. Congratulations.